Have you ever wondered what it takes to excel in the service industry? Professional conduct isn't just a guideline. It's the backbone of trust and efficiency in any service-oriented role. When engaging in occupied maid services where the client is present, it is essential to maintain a pleasant demeanor. Smile, treat the client with courtesy and respect, and keep conversations to a minimum. This not only demonstrates professionalism, but also respects the client's space and privacy. One should never ask the client what to do. If uncertainty arises, the appropriate course of action is to consult with your on-site team leader, assistant team leader, or a fellow cleaner. This maintains a seamless service flow and portrays a well-organized team. While on assignments, especially in occupied or maid service scenarios, bringing personal items like purses or bags inside is not permitted. Such policies ensure that the focus remains on providing the highest quality of service without distractions. Imagine every occupied residence as if it is under surveillance. Assume hidden cameras are everywhere, because more often than not, they are. This mindset will help maintain integrity and thoroughness in your work. Remember, theft is absolutely intolerable and will result in serious consequences, including legal action by the Ohio State Police Department. Maintaining high-quality service is paramount, and this includes upholding a strong moral code. Punctuality reflects professionalism. Always be on time and ready for all accepted assignments. This shows respect for the client's time and contributes to the efficiency of the entire operation. Safety is non-negotiable. Abide by all safety rules and procedures, report any accidents or injuries immediately, and always communicate unsafe assignment conditions. This not only protects you, but also ensures a safe environment for everyone involved. Furthermore, the workplace is not a place for weapons, alcohol, narcotics, or other controlled substances. Their presence is strictly prohibited and compromises the safety and integrity of the work environment. Moreover, engaging in soliciting, distributing, or selling during assignments is prohibited. The focus should remain on providing exceptional service and maintaining professional boundaries. In summary, the essence of professional conduct in the service industry revolves around respect, integrity, and adherence to established guidelines. By following these principles, you not only enhance your professional reputation, but also contribute to a trustworthy and efficient service environment. Remember, excellence in service is not just about the tasks you perform. It's also about how professionally you conduct yourself while performing them.